Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum beta. Open your SST reading books. This is your unit number 4. Lesson number 14, Culture, page number 94. First reading, the arts, dance, music, art and literature form an important part of the culture of any country. किसी भी country में कि कल्चर में, उसकी सकाफ़त में ये चीज़ें अहम किरदार अदा करती हैं. द फूड, फेस्टिवल्स एंड गेम्स ऑफ अ कंट्री आर आल्सो पार्ट्स ऑफ इट्स कल्चर. इसके अलावा वहाँ की फेस्टिवल्स, वहाँ के त्यौहार, वहाँ के गेम्स और वहाँ का खाना पीना भी जो है किसी भी कंट्री का, वो उसकी सकाफ़त में अहम किरदार अदा करता है. द आर्ट्स, द हिस्ट्री ऑफ अ कंट्री कैन बी टोल्ड थ्रू दीज फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट. In Pakistan, we have many experts in these arts which have been handed down from one generation to the next. Dance. Each group of people in our country has its own special dance. Usually, these dances are performed at a special place and at a special time. This may be harvest time or on the occasions of a feast, a festival or a wedding. सबसे पहले कल्चर में हम डांस को देख रहे हैं. ईच ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, हर कंट्री का जो है अपनी डांस परफॉर्मेंस होती है जो वो मुख्तलिफ त्यौहार पर, शादी के मौके पर जो है वो लोग उसको परफॉर्म करते हैं. सिंधीज़, पंजाबीज़, बलूचीज़ एंड द पीपल ऑफ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा ऑल हैव देयर ओन डांस परफॉर्मेंस. यानी हमारे हर सूबे की डांस परफॉर्मेंस अलग है. Dancers usually dress up in fine, colorful clothes. They are accompanied by musicians playing a variety of instruments or only one instrument such as a drum. और ये लोग जो डांसर्स होते हैं उनके ड्रेसेस जो हैं वो कलरफुल होते हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत होते हैं, अलग से होते हैं. और जो म्यूज़िशंस होते हैं, जो म्यूज़िक बजाने वाले होते हैं, उनके पास बहुत सी किस्म के आलात होते हैं जिन इंस्ट्रूमेंट के साथ वो म्यूज़िक बजा रहे होते हैं, जिनमें ड्रम शामिल है. समटाइम्स द डांसर्स यूज स्टिक्स एंड देयर स्टेप्स आर accompanied by songs or loud shouts. Some dances, like the khatak dance, are performed by male dancers who carry swords. जैसा कि आपने देखा होगा कि खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में जो खटक डांस किया जाता है उसको ज़्यादातर जो है वो मेल डांसर्स कर रहे होते हैं और उन्होंने हाथों में तलवारें पकड़ी हुई होती हैं. Now come on the page number 95. The Ludi and the Bhangra are two popular dances of the Punjab. पंजाब साइड पर ज़्यादातर लुड्डी और भंगड़ा डाला जाता है. The Liwa is a folk dance of the Makrans of Balochistan, and the Jhumar is popular in Sindh, but there are many dances which are not so well known. इसके अलावा भी इन सूबों में या इन इलाकों में जो है दूसरे डांसेस हैं जो कि ज़्यादा वेल नॉन नहीं हैं, लेकिन सिंध में ज़्यादा झूमर और बलूचिस्तान में लीवा के नाम से फोक डांस किया जाता है. हाई अप इन द माउंटेनस एरिया ऑफ द नॉर्थ वेस्ट इन द कालाश वैली नियर चित्राल, द गर्ल्स वेयर डार्क क्लॉथ्स with brightly colored borders around their necks. They wear strings of red and white beads. Their headgear is decorated with cowrie shells, buttons and beads. They perform their own folk dances. चित्राल के करीब कालाश वैली है, वहाँ की गर्ल्स जो है वो अपना फोक डांस जो है परफॉर्म करती हैं. बहुत से कलरफुल ड्रेसेस उन्होंने पहने हुए होते हैं और बहुत सी ज्वेलरी जो है उन्होंने पहन रखी होती है. At Kapol near Skardu, the local people perform a flower dance called Mandak or a sword dance called Stamno. In the northeast, the men perform the Kawar, a dance accompanied by the clapping of hands and beating of drums. Now, music. Pakistan has a large tradition of music from very early times. Music has played an important part in our culture. Music which is played an instrument is called instrumental music. वो म्यूज़िक जो कि आलात के साथ बजाया जाता है उसे इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूज़िक कहते हैं. म्यूज़िक which is produced by the human voice is called vocal music. जो लोग अपनी आवाज़ से पढ़ रहे होते हैं उसको vocal music कहते हैं. There are wind instruments, उनमें wind instruments का इस्तेमाल होता है. Played by blowing into a mouthpiece, जो कि मुंह से बजाए जाते हैं, जैसे flute हो गया, शहनाई and various horns. String instruments played by plucking strings with the fingers or using a bow, जिनमें सितार, सारंगी, एकतारा शामिल है. Percussion instruments played by hitting with the hands or sticks, tabla, dhol, pakhawaj. In Pakistani music, the harmonium is also used quite often. Many Pakistani musical instruments are not played in Western countries. बहुत से पाकिस्तानी म्यूज़िकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ में यूज़ नहीं होते. वोकल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूज़िक हैव डिफरेंट styles such as classical, folk, and popular pop music. Many verses by our poets as ghazal, geet, and qawwali have been set to music and sung. Concerts are performed all over Pakistan. People listen to qawwali and also classical music, which has developed over many years. Modern popular music, pop music, is enjoyed particularly by the younger generation. Now, art. For thousands of years, the people of Pakistan have created beautiful works of art. इसी तरह आर्ट जो है वो भी पाकिस्तानी कल्चर का एक अहम हिस्सा है. Our art can be seen in paintings, architecture, in mosques and other grand buildings, in rock and wood carvings, on fabrics, in handicrafts, carpets, ceramics, poetry and in jewelry. हमारे आर्ट को आप बहुत सी जगहों पर देख सकते हैं. पेंटिंग्स में, हमारी बहुत सी ग्रैंड बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स पर, मॉस्क में, हमारे कारपेट्स में, हमारी ज्वेलरी में हमारा आर्ट नज़र आता है. यू मे हैव सीन द पेंटिंग्स ऑफ सम ऑफ आवर फेमस आर्टिस्ट सच एज चौथाई, उस्ताद अला बख्श. नाउ योर पेज नंबर 97. सादिक कैन, Laila Shehzada, and Gulji. There are many artists in Pakistan who are also well known in other countries. पाकिस्तान के बहुत से आर्टिस्ट हैं जो कि पूरी दुनिया में जाने पहचाने जाते हैं. Early artists used very basic or simple equipments and tools. शुरू में आर्टिस्ट के पास जो है वो बेसिक इक्विपमेंट्स होते थे. They used paints made from plant and animal dyes. Each artist had his own style of working, but the artists in one region usually had similar styles. For example, Mughal art was based on styles brought from Persia. They specialists in making miniature paintings. This form of art has been continued to the present times. Our writing, calligraphy is also an art form. Many Muslim artists believe that calligraphy is the mother of all arts. Calligraphy जो हम करते हैं, लिखने का काम, calligraphy में उसको mother of art भी कहा जाता है. They write words to look like beautiful pictures which convey the meanings of the words. Some very colorful and clever artwork can be seen on most of our trucks and buses. This truck art is typical of Pakistan. It helps to brighten up our lives. Now, architecture. Architecture is the craft of designing and Constructing buildings. Every country has its own typical style of architecture, especially for places of worship. Churches, for example, have a special kind of design with a tower or spire and a long hall for sitting with an altar at one end. Mosques are typically designed with domes and minarets and huge courtyards. Hindu temples are richly decorated. Modern buildings everywhere are now quite similar, tall, multi-stored structures of glass and steel. Some of the old historical buildings in Pakistan have been preserved under the Heritage Act and are being repaired and maintained. Now, literature. Our writers have produced many great works of prose and poetry, though modern writers are now also writing in English. Most of the works of classic literature have been written in Urdu. Ask your Urdu teacher to tell you about the poetry of Allama Iqbal, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, and Ahmad Faraz, three great Urdu poets, and about some of our great works of literature by writers such as Imtiaz Ali Taj, Shaukat Siddiqui, Altaf Fatima, Fahmi Daryaz, and Ashfaq Ahmad. There are many more Pakistani poets and writers who have written in Urdu, English, and the regional languages. Now, food festivals and games. What kind of food do you eat at home? What festivals do you celebrate? What games do you play? And which ones do you like watching? Let us look at some of our foods, favorite festivals and games. Food and drink. Our food is famous throughout the world for its wonderful taste. There are thousands of restaurants in other countries that serve Pakistani dishes. पाकिस्तान की dishes बहुत से ममालिक में पसंद की जाती हैं. You can eat biryani in New York, and in London you can have delicious kebabs. लंदन में आप कबाब, पाकिस्तानी कबाब जो है वो आपको वहाँ मिल सकते हैं. न्यूयॉर्क में बिरयानी, पाकिस्तानी बिरयानी को लोग पसंद करते हैं. From very early time, Asia has been known for the spices that grow here. People from the West came to Asia to take our spices back to their countries. They brought goods and exchanged these for cinnamon, chilies, cardamom, elaichi, pepper, nutmeg, jifol, cloves, long, turmeric, haldi, and countless other spices. These spices have added flavor, taste, and color to our food for centuries. Most people in Pakistan eat very simple food. Chapati, naan, or rice are an essential part of our food. These are called staple foods. Chapatis and naan are made from wheat, which is grown in many parts of Pakistan. Along with this staple or basic food, the people eat lentils, dal, beans, vegetable dishes, meat and chicken dishes, and fish. Chapli kebab and chicken or mutton karahi with naan are the most popular foods in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. In Lahore and other parts of the Punjab, the favorite dishes are nihari, pie, kebab, kunna, and biryani, as well as seasonal vegetable dishes. Saji is a famous Balochi dish, and the river fish pala is a specialty of Sindh. However, these foods are now available all over Pakistan. Many Western, Afghani, Chinese, and Middle Eastern dishes are also popular in Pakistan. Tea, lassi, and nimbu pani are the most popular drinks in Pakistan. Fizzy drinks are also widely available. There is a great range of desserts and sweetmeats, including kulfi, kheer, sevaiya, gulab jamun, and rasgulla. Food in Pakistan is cheap and readily available. There are thousands of small restaurants and roadside cafes. There are also many expensive and luxurious restaurants in huge hotels. You can have a meal for 50 rupees, or if you like, you can have one for 500 rupees for more.